So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to resize product images in Shopify. So the first thing you want to do is head on over to your admin panel on Shopify, which will look something like this. From here you can see home, orders, products, customers, and many more options on the left. From here, just click on product. Once you've done that, you can see here the product on a list, and you can just choose one of those to resize the photo that you've added in Shopify. So from here you can see upload new. It accepts images, videos, or 3D models. So you can do it through there. You can also go to the apps section if you want to do this in bulk. So Shopify gives you two options to resize your product's images. The first one would be through there, and the second one would be through the App Store. And you can see here immediately Pix photo resize. So let's just search for that. And from the search bar, you get to Pix photo resize. It says free to install. It's actually even built for Shopify, so it's going to be easier to implement into your store. So if I click on this, you can see the install button. You can see the ratings right here. You can scroll down to see how it will look and how it will be implemented into your own store. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.